Hello, this is Tech Teacher, and today I'm going to do a video on my Wi-Fi hack prank 2. Yes, that's right, 2.0. As you remember, I did a video on 1.0 a while back, really. And today I have released, or not today, it's about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, I've put up on my website a Wi-Fi hack prank 2.0 is downloadable. So go download it if you want. This is a review on it, a overlook and how you run your overall Wi-Fi hack prank. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to download it. I'm gonna compare it to Wi-Fi hack prank part 1, and it's all gonna be all good. So first thing you gotta do to download it is go to Tech Teacher Online, techteacher9476.wix.com/techteacher. And once it loads up here, there we go. Go down here and pause the video before it starts playing, because it is going to be going on. Okay, so anyway, once that loads, the page loads, title thing up here still isn't loaded, but that's alright. You go to downloads, and there should be a link down here. It says Wi-Fi hack prank 2.0 right next to Wi-Fi hack prank.zip. It's Wi-Fi hack prank 2.0.zip. You hit the download button, and it takes you to a page that shows you all the information on it. These are all the folders within that folder, and this is file information. There's name, Wi-Fi hack prank, file type, size on disk, and subfolders. Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and download that now. It's gonna transfer you to ForShared, which is a completely virus-free file sharing website. All you have to do is hit download right here. A window will pop up, and I think we need that window. No, we don't. Let's click out of it. I don't even know why it popped up, but free download. Just hit that right here. You're gonna have to sign in with one of these, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, I am back, and it has come to my attention that you're gonna have to disable the ad block for this to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Enable on this site, disable on this site. So I'm gonna reload this page, and it should work now. Your download should begin automatically. You gotta wait 60 seconds. So this is an ad, so don't click on this. 30-40 seconds left. So I'll be back when that's over. Okay, so I am back. It's down to 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 0. And it's gonna pop up with this down here. Download file. Should just go straight to this. So I'm gonna download it to the desktop. Just hit save, and it should download nice and simple like that. I'm gonna go back up here and enable this real quick. Alright, so that we can go ahead and click out of the browser, and now we have this Wi-Fi hack prank 2.0. So what you're gonna want to do is, if you don't have Windows 8 or above, I believe it is, they come with a built-in zip extractor. You're gonna have to get WinZip, I think it is, or WinRAR, I think it's this one. I think they have another one, Zip or something, but this one works. I think it works. But I am running Windows 10, so I can just go and hit extract and extract all to Desktop, yes. Okay. Okay, you guys, so something went wrong. I couldn't extract it at the moment, but I'm sure it'll work on yours. And it looks as if it did extract. So we got this right here. Make sure everything is in here. Got zip folder, another one, and it didn't. It did not extract everything. So I'm just going to delete that. But it is okay because I have one in here, right under. I don't have one. So give me a minute. I'm gonna stop the recording so it'll extract better, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have extracted this. It is right here in all its glory. I'm gonna have to go ahead and open that up. Go into here, and if you notice, there is a difference from the old one to the new, because the old one, if I go and pull it up right now, right here, ignore these two, but the old one had a readme.txt, a Wi-Fi hack prank optimized for slower PCs, and a Wi-Fi hack prank. And if you downloaded the Wi-Fi hack prank 1 recently, then that includes a list of PCs that is optimized for the two different types. And 2.0 is only for, it's not for slower PCs, so you can't do that. So if we go ahead and open up the README file right here, I can show you what I'm talking about. It's Wi-Fi hack prank version 2.0, v2.0, created by Tech Teacher, me. Glossary, we got some instructions, how to extract files, which we've already done, and compatibility. So you got important read right here. Got to read this. Before you try to pull this prank, you got to reset the name inside the code. As instructions on how to do that, I'm going to show you. And there's another thing that you have to do with this one that you did not have to do with with the Wi-Fi hack prank 1. Most importantly, have fun. Of course, how to extract, we've already done that. Compatibility, version 1.0 is for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 8.1. It will not work on Windows 10 due to an error with the ping line of code that was in there. Optimized version, which you've seen in the Windows or the Wi-Fi hack prank 1.0, not included in version 2.0, but that one's over here. This one works on XP, XP Pro, and Vista, and version 2.0 works on 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. So, and then we got a link to my website down here. If we go back to here, though, I'm going to first run the Wi-Fi hack prank 1 and show you exactly how it worked. Okay, so go here, go into Wi-Fi hack prank and run this one. And I have fixed this so it will work on my PC, but if you download it, it won't work on Windows 10. But this is the old version. Simply does scanning networks in your area. I'm gonna make this full screen because that's another feature of Windows 10 that's new. You can make your command prompt full screen. So it's searching for them in my area, and it's done. It says network found. This is guest 3, which is one of my buddies that I put in there. It says, would you like to access a wireless network? Yes or no? Yes. Let's just hit yes. Accessing network now. And it runs all these things, which is also something else I fixed because it looks a little weird there. Firewall. Flashes that a few times. It's going to keep flashing. That was an error right there. It should flash again. It didn't. And then this is the part where you start typing on the keyboard, acting like you're typing, when it's really just not you typing, it's the Just running some code. That was actually the hardest part of the Wi-Fi hack, or Wi-Fi prank part 1. And it says loading, please wait. Pressing the key to continue, access granted, and then it just exits. So I decided I wanted to fix that. So here it is, guys. Wi-Fi hack prank 2.0. But not gonna work. Not gonna work because first you have to go in this file right here, move to C, which I have already moved into C for you because it was an important step that I did. So basically what you're going to have is in this folder, once you download it, you're going to have that move to C folder. That's the other thing that we were talking about. You're going to have to move that from the Wi-Fi hack prank 2.0 folder into here, your C drive. And how you get to that is if we were to exit out of this and just go to File Explorer, it would open up your devices and drives, which is your hard drives. And you click your C drive and just put it in here. It won't hurt your PC, I promise. But in here is basically 3 different files, which I could not allow you to keep in the folder on your desktop or wherever else it was, because I couldn't have a set location. You might want to save it to your desktop or your documents so it was more hidden, but C is the most set location that I can get that's easiest for you guys, the users. But anyway, since I've already done that, I'm going to go in here and not the README file. Don't want to read it again. But we are going to go to Wi-Fi hack prank 2.0. And if you look, it looks very similar right now. But a little bit farther down the line, it will start to change. Okay, so it's scanning for networks in your area. I think it just says network name on this one because I haven't changed it yet, but that's one of the things you're going to want to do. I'll show you how to do that. Network found, network name. Would you like to access the wild network? So up until this point, it's completely the same. So let's hit yes. It's also the same right here. This actually changes because I changed it up. It looked almost the same. The last thing was just different the whole time. And it does this. This is new too. In the first version, it was just in the command prompt. Now it goes into the VBS script and puts these pop-ups. Excuse me. Puts these pop-ups on your desktop. Okay, and if you notice over here, it says error retrying, error retrying, error. It does that a few times, and then on the last one, it says error solution input found. So I'm just gonna close out all of these, and I'm gonna go back to this and press any key to continue. And this is the part where you start fake typing again, or you don't have to. It works either way, but if you're going to do the fake typing thing, don't fake type in the beginning and then stop, because it doesn't work. Just either do it or you don't do it. And it says loading, please wait, access granted. And this is new too. This is my favorite part. Opening. It's got the dots a few times. Opening. Okay, here it goes. And it opens Google. And as you can see, like it wasn't supposed to, my internet disconnected while we were doing that. So I am no longer connected to any internet at all. No internet connection. It's the one I usually connect to, and it's not connected. So this is strictly HTML code right here. So that's basically it. And this is this. You can just add a key and then get out of there. So I think that's it. Oh, that's right. How to insert your own custom name. So say you wanted to insert the name bed lampshade. I don't know why that would be the Wi-Fi network, but it could. So we're gonna hit Control F on our keyboard at the same time together. Hold down Control and hit F, and it's gonna pop up with the Find window, and you type in network name. Network underscore name. Hit enter. It should find it. It should be the only one in the document. And where it says network name, put in bed lampshade. Hit Control S to save it. Close that, and it is done. So that is it. That is the entire thing. It's a great improvement from the first one. I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, it's Tech Teacher, and for next week's video, or whenever's video, I'm going to review a Minecraft mod that I've been developing for quite some time now, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Just as a sneak peek, it's called the Heaven mod. This is Tech Teacher, signing off.